Wha is that at my bower door by Robert Burns. Really, it's a substantial remake of a broadside ballad, and he put it to a tune he found in James Aird's selection of Scotch, Irish, English, and foreign airs called Lass If I Come Near You, which certainly matches the theme here. So, the Scots words. Gae your gate, ye's nae be here. Go your way, you shall not stay here. I dread you'll learn the gate again. I'm afraid you'll learn the way again, the road and how to get here. So, and mun means must, indeed must I. You'll keep me walking wi' your din, you'll keep me waking. Gif I rise and let you in, Gif, G-I-F. It means given. Given that I let you in, this will happen. So. Wha is that at my bower door? Oh, wha is it but Findlay? Then gae your gate, ye's nae be here. Indeed, maun I go Findlay. What mak ye say like a thief? Oh, come and see, quo Findlay. Before the morn you'll work mischief. Indeed will I, quo Findlay. If I rise and let you in, let me in, quo Findlay. You'll keep me walking wi' your tin. Indeed will I, quo Findlay. And my power if ye should stay, let me stay, quo Findlay. I fear you'll bide till break o' day. Indeed will I, quo Findlay. Here this night if ye remain, I'll remain, quo Findlay. I dread you'll learn the gate again. Indeed will I, quo Findlay. What may pass within this bower, let it pass, quo Findlay. Ye maun conceal till your last hour. Indeed will I, quo Findlay. So Burns based this on a broadside. And Findlay was a brother exciseman, so he gave him the man's role here, Findlay, F-I-N-D-L-A-Y. In the broadside, it was Findlay, F-I-N-L-A-Y. And I'll read that to you. Broadsides were single sheet ballads that were sold from stalls by hawkers. So this was around, and here's the lyric to that one. There dwells a man into this town, within this town. Some say they call him Findlay. He is a brisk and able man. Oh, if I knew but Findlay. His reputation was so great that him I did seek after, and when I found him did entreat, he tryst with me thereafter. Quoth Findlay, if I come to you, give me none of your ill words. Though I say no to you at first, be sure that you come forwards. Then promised he to come that night, and to my chamber I was keeping. He chapped gently at the door, for fear I had been sleeping. Who's that at my chamber door? And who but I, quoth Findlay. Loun coddle, come no further, indeed, not I, quoth Findlay. Rascal old man, old rascal is the loun coddle. Who's that at my bedside, and who but I, quoth Findlay. Loun Carl, hold thee there, stop there. Indeed not I, quoth Findlay. Of all the men I ever did see, there's none I like Findlay. He was both courteous, stout, and free. My heart's delight is Findlay. So Burns takes this idea, makes it, tightens it up somewhat, and he's featuring this melody, which is called Lass If I Come Near You, we have it from Burns's transcription of the melody, and this is Burns's handwriting. We only have 3 of his musical transcriptions. This one he copied from James Aird's book of Scotch, Irish, English, and foreign airs, selection of those, and that was volume 1, published 1784. And it was a book that Burns used a great deal. There's actually 4 of Aird's volumes that he used a great deal, second only to Osborne's Caledonian Pocket Companion books. But what's instructive here is that Burns did not change the melody. He copied it accurately, sent it to his publisher, who, in typical form, made it less interesting. The Scots Musical Museum had a musical editor. He was a church organist from Durham, England. His name was Stephen Clarke, and he liked to improve the works of the great Scots tunesmiths, whose work did not need correction by a mediocre hack like Stephen Clarke. So, like, for example, the runs in that tune, ba 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 ba, those are taken out. We don't need those, do we? So that's the tune exactly as Burns intended it, and as it appeared in the book, a dance tune. This transcription was printed in Catherine Carswell's Life of Robert Burns in 1930. I don't know where it is now, but I'm thankful to Patrick Scott, who sent me a scan of that transcription. I don't have the hardcover edition of Catherine Carswell's biography of Burns, in which that appeared. So, I think that's it about it. Please subscribe. We're about halfway through the songs of Robert Burns on this channel, plowing ahead.